So I'm a bit scared and I'm a bit demotivated about things which is happening right now because hi, this is Ground Up Guru again, and this is our journey to start 2 lakhs per month. Every month we have to earn after 2 years. Yeah, and actually I'm doing this from days this our AI guy who told us do some this for 3 days and DM for people like wildly and do something, try to and you will get clients. But is it really is it really happening? I'm getting literally so disappointed. I am feeling um, so I'm a bit scared and I'm a bit demotivated about the things which is happening right now because you know practically on this video also I don't know if I will get the right views on the start. I don't know, but the thing is I tried I'm trying also, but till now I didn't get anything. Like I DM these many people, like you can see there are more. I'm not showing the their tags or anything, but you can see it's only my messages. There are so many people, and we got nothing. I'm not showing their Insta IDs or something like that, but yeah, I got nothing from that. Like no progress. There was one person who was looking a bit interested, and I gave him a little bit I show him some gave him a free reel, and then after he grabbed that free reel, and then he didn't reply again for the message. So yeah, things are like not going the well like we as we thought. People will reply and people will give attention. Like koi to like at least one person will come to us, but that didn't happen. Also, we it just like few days 2 3 days maybe happen, 3 4 days something like that happen. And like from the day one ka video until now, day one ka first video until now, how many days happen, that days happen, and we have no progress, we have no money right now. It's a bit disappointed for me. It's a bit like painful for me ki till now we have nothing. Right now on this GOG also we have no promising views, nothing. YouTube also didn't promote it, or like not giving so much impression on us. But yeah, we have nothing right now, no progress till now. I didn't saw any like four only four uh, yeah, only four replies we got, and one of them was only interested looking, but he also went after getting the free chance. And yeah, that wasn't like so motivated, it was like demotivated, and it is demotivating me. wondering if it is that hard to get start from 0%, like literally zero. This is a middle class guy who is trying to do. So yeah, I have nothing right now, zero, like the circle of the GUG. So yeah, we are trying. Let's see where the journey takes us. Right now we have nothing. We went nowhere till now. We just reached to people, but people also didn't even see. If I show you, people also didn't even seen the message. Like if we go here and like no, not even seen, not even seen. This is another account, and we are going the another account. Not even seen. So yeah, no one is not even seeing that much like the things are going right now. I'm trying to do my best, but because of this cold DMs and all, I'm literally a bit scared and a bit, yeah, demotivated. So please, if you are watching me, uh, comment something or suggest if you have any other options, or if you want to say something, if you want to motivate me also, you can comment like, yeah, at least motivate to karo yaar, at least do motivate. I'm a little bit like, yeah, things are going like that. So yeah, still I'm holding, I'm on the way. I'm trying to focus on the goal, trying to focus on the steps, and we'll see. Okay, so stay tuned with Ground Up Guru. Do follow, do share. We have to reach so much people, we have to show the truth, key how much the things works or not. So yeah, do share, do follow, I mean, do like, do share, and watch my journey to 2 lakhs per month in 2 years. Let's see if we can do that or what happens. Okay, so bye for now. We will meet tomorrow with like, till now I'm continuing this method. Let's see if we get there or not. So 3 days, like a week, I don't think so a week happened, but yeah, like so many days happen. 4 5 days is nearly about a week, but we didn't get anything from that. So but let's try more, like few days more, if we able to get it or not. But I think, let's see. Okay, bye.